Alright, so this is the second generation of my little boat. So basically all I did was I added 2 more batteries and then lowered the motor and the propeller, so now it's under the water, and that helps it get a little more I guess traction, I guess, like how if you were to compare it to a car, like a little more traction under the water, and it pushes the boat a little quicker, and it it doesn't move in circles anymore as much, also because now the motor is kind of centered and the propeller is kind of better. So it's definitely way faster than the other boat, and that's why actually I had to add more water, and I guess now it's still getting kind of stuck over there because it's like hitting the bottom of the bathtub. But I'll pull it over here so you can see it a little better. So it goes around, I guess, definitely much faster than the other one, and as well as that in a straight line, which was one of the main concerns with the last one. So yeah, and other than that, I added another switch here, so basically now the wiring is slightly better because there's a switch. You don't have to like pull out the battery every time you want to turn it off. So here, I guess here it is. It's a little low now because we played with it. I've been playing with it for a little while now. So that's why the motor isn't moving as fast. But basically, it's just 2 batteries. So you have the negative to the positive here, and then you have the positive of this one going to the one side of the motor over here, and then you have the negative of this battery going to the switch over here on this wire, and then you have the other side of that the motor down here. You have this wire coming all the way back to the switch, so that when you click it, it turns on, I guess. And yeah, so that's basically it. One of the initial concerns I had while building this version is that it won't float as much, so I added these 2 corks, but I think even without them, it's like unnecessary because all the weight that you're adding is literally only this battery. Other than that, it's like a really good project just to like entertain small, like your friends, or like not your friends, but like this makes my cousin really happy. Every time he comes over, he asks for it. That's actually why I made a faster version, because the older version, he got kind of bored with that because it wasn't fast enough. So today we played with this one, and he liked it way better. So.